One of the new great features of WebOS 3 is quick access. With quick access you can program a quick link to any content under the numeric keys. By pressing the 0 for a long time, it opens up a quick access menu. You see here the numeric keys 1 through 9, and if I press OK now, I can assign Live TV to number key 1, actually any program that has been tuned. I can connect any premium content provider, but also things like input. HDMI 3 can also be connected to numeric key 1. If you press OK, you see it's now connected. I go to the next one, number 2. I say, okay, let's have YouTube programmed under key number 2. Now, when I want to use it, when I normally press the 1, I get channel 1. But if I do a long press, you will see that HDMI 3 appears with the device that is connected to HDMI 3. If I do a long press of key 2, you will see that automatically YouTube starts up.